Ritukuri goro magiga yichisegi amone buraburu kwanekiwa asinya gitari ya Nduru level 4 hospital. Yego tukatsinsa mucyanya marambe ebunge ya South Mugirango. Ege ntukirirete abo obisa be county ya Kisii konyora chingoma na anene muno chigari gwatwa ebirore. Asikirie abamenyi bensemi batavuna nigo banyore toro voti. Gose nigo batebetigo emashine ya moye nyagitari yo. Yari nyekurusigwa kurwa asinya gitari ya Nduru kuika asinya gitari ya Kiumbu. Ege ntukabirete abamenyi bensemi yo kurwana esegi na anene muno kurinde mashine yo gutasoka kurasa ensemi yo. Nigo bono abakorega sibe county kurwasa nseme ya South Mugirango aba MCA abarai bakoragwa amono mu county secretary ujo kurwa asenseme ya South Mugirango nigo bono itukoria rero anene mono bagikirige kore kiyo kore kanete tukurigoro ase abo bisabe county baronetiwe asinya gitari ya Nduru level 4 hospital boko ne tukoria rero nigo batavuna ati bagokiri anene mono amonege kore kiyo ya kore kanete tukurigoro ase abantu baronetiwe abachiguye machine eyatete yene ngo chikokonya abantu asensemo ya Kiumbu na anene mono nigo baba muche abantu babugirango agwase batavuna tibara barosererieta buna barabwa bakorega sibe county kurwa asensemo ya Bugirango oroboti rwa senchira yoboikirano.
Here with us here elected members from South Mugirango who are the MCAs from Muticho ward, from Boikanga ward, Mheshimiwa Chira from Muticho, Mheshimiwa Kombo from Boikanga ward, Mheshimiwa Mauti from Bogetenga ward, and Mheshimiwa Joseph from Kitenga ward. And with us also are senior civil servants from South Mugirango and other from other areas. So it's not a South Mugirango issue. We have the CC for environment, water, Mheshimiwa Nyakweba. So today we're here to make something very clear. And my name is James Ntabo, the County Secretary, Head of Public Service. Yesterday we had an ugly incident at Nyamarambe, Nduru level 4 hospital, where our officers who were sent to go and ferry an aesthetic machine that was idle to Kiumbu sub-county hospital to assist our other patients in the other part of the county. In the policy of decongesting our referral hospital, we are empowering the facilities that are neighboring the referral hospital, that's KTRH. So we sent officers who can carry one machine to be used in Kiumbu because we have two machines down at level Nduru level 4 hospital. So one machine was lying idle and we thought then we'd make use of it. Unfortunately, we had a confrontation from members of the public who may have misunderstood the intention of government of moving one machine to go and assist Kiumbu, which is a sister hospital. And our officers who were sent down there, a number of doctors, were roughed up, were confronted by a crowd that was hostile and who then were saying that the machines were being stolen. Yet those were officers with the government vehicle, identified doctors and other support personnel. One vehicle was extensively damaged and some officers were injured. And the whole thing took a dimension that did not prescribe to the ethics and the professionalism of the civil service. One, when we realized that the issue has gone beyond people from South Mugirango asking for the machine not to be taken, and had gone to a level that officers, people are begging for the blood of the officers, we realized that it appeared that this was a well choreographed move to harm our officers. And this is what we've met here to discuss today as stakeholders from South Mugirango and also part of the county to condemn that act and which our members of the County Assembly will address you. But from the position of the civil service, as head of public service in this county, we condemn with strongest terms possible that our officers, innocent civil servants who are working, who have been sent to execute a mission that had been sent by the government, were confronted, and we had an incident that we've not seen before in terms of engagement with the public. That is what we have shared today here, and more information will be shared from the members of the County Assembly and also our CC, who will say something, CC for Lands, Mr. Kweba. That is the message that we are passing here, that civil servants must be allowed to work in an environment that is secure, that is conducive for them to provide their services. That is the message we are saying, that wherever civil servants are across the county of Kisii, they must feel supported, they must feel appreciated, so they can give the services. We appreciate the role of the national government security officers who came in to contain the situation. The police came from Kisii, police came from Metago, from Nyamarambe. We were able to manage that situation. Thank you so much.
Again, members of the press, my name, as you have heard, is Ronald Nyakweba. We, as people from South Mogrango, we are equally disappointed on what happened yesterday, where we suspect that our people were incited by some dark forces to harass our officers who were actually went out of their way to do their work, but someone somewhere decided to incite our people to harass these officers. We condemn it. We condemn that action in the strongest time possible, and we wish to request our people down there in South Mogrango that these are the government assets which can be shared across the 9 constituencies in South Mogrango, I mean in Kisii, and government property is government property. It can be used anywhere. The government has got every right to transfer not only the people, even it is property from one point to the other, as long as this property is meant for the noble work that is service to the people of Kisii County. And we want to confirm here as Abagrang that we, as the workers, all employees of Kisii County who come from South Mogrango, we want to confirm that we support our governor, we support what he's doing. Abagirango bari babete incited wotaka koleta fucho kwa Mogirango ileta live toko batavinga shetani ashindwe. Shetani afanye nini? Ashindwe. Omugambi to gavana Simbarati means well for Mogirango na kukorera Abagirango egasi abantu abonzi barayiga n'abakora egasi ba South Mogirango banjete gavana yaito. So we will continue working very closely no gavana yaito na ndo gusaba Abagirango baito kamuranje barimo kora egasi no kora egasi sinze mu cyonsi yagusi kamuranje mu saririeta tiga tutwara bomo tuanchane tosika bakora egasi togenderere na ryamagenda twanya kwa kire komesi Mogirango
erieta ryane Mauti Samuel mo imusie bagutenga wote nke una award representative nke na nyorete wako banane abantu ni barando gusiye ngima nke no muntu w'igishegi lakini baiba manyete nke no muntu wo marembe egendo kyabete nke buna nako ta assessment yane. It was communication breakdown insini nainde na wanda tebe ngigente kene kia nyumba because ngaki the common mwananchi ngakia komanya nge machine ye yendo sokere nainde rende nonye kurukare abagusi ekaro kwa konyora ngandagere tubwati na bukwa wasuma gosaba nkori kobe takirende ekoro kane report etahe titubuya abantu baka misinterpret etoko saba abantu aminto babugirango tuse bugitenga tigango to maintain omorembe negintu kyo ekenene mono muna bono njije mwao no ngitire ngombe no ngitire nchobu inko nyagoria nchobu iyo na matusi ko nyakonga ndagire ite gukinda naboto kondem egente kase eruge nkomusana nainde nke basikoyirorero gotambe dote banga amagoso ni gakoba amagoso ekero okoyiroreri goso ngaita abantu baminto toche ground toteba ni buya totwara omorembe tokorega hasi n'abagusibande this county ekiagera muna bona ntuna botora celebrate una
aje kiragendrete boigo nigo amaswali anene mono atigaire gucia ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii anene mono bari bakuru asenseme ya South Mugirango amaswali gati amaswali bagase niko ibole na ringa ine imashine yigaya ngikurusigwa asenseme ya nduru ko cyasenya gitari ya Kiombu ngaki engana na ki yare ngo cyokora asenya gitari ya Kiombu eri cyikwiranirwa ase ensemo ya South Mugirango iswali yakabari bakwe ibole neri ine imonto kyu oina netamangana yiga ko cia asaba manyi babugirango inga imashine yenkurusigwa yare ngiye kuru asenya gitari ya nduru level 4 hospital wo cia asenya gitari ya Kiombu iswali yakatatu abantu bakwe ibole neri ine amachiko na marago na batetiwe ekero imashine yigaye ngikurusigwa asenya gitari ya nduru level 4 hospital ucha asenya gitari ya Kiombu aina rokati ya maswali abantu bakasene kwebolya ase ali agenderete ko cinsa mwe kiga cha South Mugirango na anene mona obune ntuntu atemete ko lya Moswati Gladys omoteneneri bwekinya gitari amona bachenu agwasita mwe kirete atwe Robert Rwabene anene mono asa ali agenderete ko cinsa mecho cha Bugirango Biamuna sincho kuendelea kusanga amone ntwe imye TV ya Kisii Hot TV. Njasa muretane ni gonkuru kwenye puto Dennis kwa sana buwancho na ngiri kukuri kuntu. Kwa nenda saboniga na achire tiatomirane chinga kichinde. Biamono.